Hey, this is Mike at AlphaCars in Northampton, New Hampshire. Got a beautiful Q3 here in Misano Red Pearl. Now I want to take you for a quick walk around the car, show you the interior, open it up a little bit, talk about some of the features that are on it, and really just explain why this is an awesome car for a little city runabout or a commuter. You know, the big things right off the bat with this car are the amazing fuel economy. It's got the turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, a little bit higher ground clearance than the sedans that these are based on. And of course the color is just really a standout on this particular car. A lot of people have stopped in so far to compliment us on the color and say they love the look of it. You know, this is the little brother to the Q5. So you get a lot of the same technology and features, just in a slightly smaller package. So as we open up the passenger side here, you can see that there's some really nice detailing on the interior. This great metal trim. Dashboard is in great shape. I love the feeling of the Audi switchgear too. I mean, these buttons just feel really solid, make a nice good click to them. They don't feel cheap or plasticky at all. They feel like real metal. Shifter same way. Interior's in immaculate condition. We've got great bolsters on both sides. And I'll hop in and start it up for you in just a second. This is a 2016. It's got just over 40,000 miles on it. And with the panoramic roof and the black seats, you got a really nice luxurious interior. The original window sticker here too shows a couple of the options on the car, which are also shown on our website. So the Misano Red Pearl and the technology package are the major options. That includes the Audi MMI navigation unit. We just put new tires, not newish, they are new tires. The Sumitomo tires, great all seasons. The HTR AS with great reviews. They're very quiet, good in all weather conditions. As you can see, the body is just perfect on this car. I can't find any scratches or dents to point out to you in the video, and I would be happy to do that if there were, but just nothing at all that's worth noting in the front or the rear. This 2.0T engine in the Q3 is a pretty familiar product across the Volkswagen and Audi family. They've been building a version of this motor for, oh geez, going on 15 plus years at this point. And it's got plenty of torque, easily moves the car along. Very nice all-weather mats in here, in addition to the factory mats and the trunk liner, which is great if you plan on going skiing or if you want to put any wet stuff in the back here. And then underneath the trunk floor, got the spare tire. And this is a pretty clever feature as well. This is actually integrated subwoofer for the stereo that's nestled inside the spare tire. So you get great stereo sound without losing space to a giant subwoofer. No more of those ridiculous, you know, thumping 10-inch or 12-inch subwoofers that you used to see back in the Fast and the Furious movie days. We don't need that anymore. It's right in the middle of your spare tire. Alright, so come into the interior. I'll show you a little bit of the trim panels here. It's a great place to be. Nice looking key. We do have 2 keys for this car as well, and it's going to be a remote start, or I shouldn't say remote start, a touchless, keyless entry. That's the word I'm looking for. So you can just drop the key right here in the center console. When you're ready to fire it up, you just put your foot on the brake and hit the start button here. No need to take the key out of your pocket or your purse. A couple other options featured here. We've got the park distance control, hill descent control, and of course all your radio functions and Audi multimedia for SIM cards and all of your local music on your phone. So just over 40K on it. Steering wheel mounted controls. Left side is going to be for your radio and infotainment. Right side is going to be for voice commands and volume. It's a nice small steering wheel, good driving position. Another option that I almost forgot to mention is the blind spot. So this car does feature the blind spot monitors, which everybody knows is a nice thing to have when you're cruising on the highway, and I bet this would make an awesome highway commuter for somebody, because it's nice and quiet. Motor revs smoothly. We can go take a look at that. Got our cruise control stalk over here. Climate control information down here. And of course, we've got heated seats. These Audis also have a slidable center console, which is a nice feature because you can really get your arm right where you're comfortable. And I love the configurability of the interiors of these. It just makes them so comfortable, and it still stands out. It doesn't have to look like a luxury car to feel like one. Alright, there's that familiar Audi 2-liter turbo motor. All your fluids are at the right level. Everything looks great. I forgot to mention this is indeed a one-owner car with a clean Carfax. So now that we're running here, you can see those LED headlights, the daytime running lights. And I'll put the headlights on as well, just to take a look. You can see the nice LED streaks on the back. Headlights lit up here in the front. So that's our Q3 2016, just over 40,000 miles. If you have any questions at all about the car, please give us a shout at AlphaCars in Northampton, New Hampshire, 603-585-5085. My name is Mike. You can also check us out online at alphacars.com.